Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of distance learning. I have to say I have been loving seeing all the wonderful things that you have been uploading as part of your week 3 distance learning. And some of you are still uploading things from week 1 and week 2, and that's totally fine. If you're a little late on uploading them, I don't mind. I sure do miss seeing your bright smiling faces every day, but seeing your work really brings me a lot of joy too, because I love to know that you're learning and exploring and having fun and staying safe at home. So today, your posting challenge is something I'm really excited about. Mrs. Sandhu actually gave us the idea to make this week, and it is your Maker ADST challenge. It is to make an Inukshuk. Now, Inukshuks are structures that are made without any type of glue or cement. It just uses rocks or stones that fit together nicely to make a really cool one. Here's some examples of what Inukshuks look like. So you can use whatever materials you want. I'm going to head over to the beach that's right near my house, and I'm going to use some rocks and some driftwood and see what kind of Inukshuk I can make. See you soon. Was fun. But as you can see, I did not get it right on the first try. So if you fail a few times when you're making your structure, don't worry. It's supposed to be like that. That's what perseverance is all about. So this week, we are starting our first of our Spirit Days that will be once a week until the end of the year. Now, Spirit Days are always optional. If you want to join in, have some fun, send me a picture, go ahead. If it's too much for you or something you're not interested in, you don't have to. Spirit Days are optional. But your one this week is on Monday, and it is Pajama Day! Some people say that in quarantine, every day is Pajama Day, but I've decided that Monday is Pajama Day, so let me change to something a little bit more comfortable. That's better. We're going to have a lot of fun with these Spirit Days coming up. All right, so your math assignment this week is to make a weather graph. Now, we've already finished a unit on graphing in our class, and you know all about them. So this shouldn't be too difficult. But in case you're wondering how to make one, I'm going to show you a simple way to make your own weather graph out of scrap paper. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make a quick weather graph just using scrap paper. So, I'm going to start with a piece of paper that's blank on at least one side. And at the bottom, you're going to write your different types of weather that you might expect or predict for the month. You could also throw in a few that you don't expect or don't predict either. So I've got sunny, cloudy.
I'm including little pictures. You don't have to if you don't want to. Rain, windy. That's my picture of wind. Snowy. I don't actually think it's going to snow, but I'm putting it on here just so one of the categories might get 0, and that might be snowy. And stormy. So those are the ones I've chosen to include in my graph, but it's up to you what you'd like in yours.
Then you're going to create the columns by creating vertical lines. Now, if you want your lines to be super straight, I would recommend using a ruler. If it doesn't matter to you, then you can just try like I did to see how straight you can just make them freehand. So we created the columns. Now it's time for the rows. So you're going to do horizontal lines for the rows. Now, I try to keep them a little bit small so that when I do have to color them in each day, it's not going to take too long to color in each box. Now, I didn't do quite 30, so if for some reason we have 30 sunny days in May, I might just tape on another piece of paper and keep going. But that is my very simple weather graph. Can't wait to see all of your pajamas. I'm showing you mine.
Oh, you mean like this, right? Pagrammas. Pagrammas.
No, not pagrammas. Pajamas.
Oh, I know. Palamas, right?
No, not palamas. Pajamas, like PJs.
Yeah, got
guys. She said PJs. P for pink, J for Jody. PJs. Is that my pink wig? And my pink lipstick? You know you're not supposed to play with those. Get back here. I'll see you next week.